Welcome to a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the color of the template. Thank you anyone who purchased this digital invitation design from Pix Digitals. We appreciate and love your support. If you haven't already, check out our digital invitation templates, artwork, and clip art at www.pixdigitals.com. It is strongly recommended to use a computer or laptop in order to edit this template because it makes the process much more smoother and it doesn't limit your editing options. Alright guys, let's get started on how to change the color of the template. There are two ways to change it. The first one is just clicking on the design you want to change the color of. When you click on it, the very top bar should appear. And go ahead and pick your color. These are not the colors that I want, so I'm going to go ahead and add a new color and just play with it. I'm going to go for a much more darker purple. See if we could get that. That is pretty. Alright, and the second way would be going to the very left-hand corner and clicking on Edit, clicking on Adjust, and scrolling all the way down to Color Edit. And here you can change the color various ways. Since I am going to go for a purple theme, I am going to stick to my pinkish color. Make it less bright. Oh, that's pretty. Let me zoom in. And I am satisfied with this color. We're going to go ahead and repeat this process for the other design. So the other design, you would click on color, and like I said, if you can't find the desired color you want on here, definitely go to your edit option, adjust, scroll all the way to the very bottom, and then play with the colors here. I want it a little bit darker, so and this is so pretty. I think this matches very well with her dress. I am satisfied and gonna leave it as is. So in order to change the font of the color, we're gonna double click, make sure every word is highlighted, every letter, and click here. I feel like this is a little too grayish for my taste, or you know what we're gonna do? We want it this exact same color. And there you have it. I still feel it's a little too dark for me. Perfect. That's my color. Just want a little bit lighter. That is pretty. That matches the design. Alright, and there you have it. That's how you change the color of your template. Let me know if you guys need any further assistance. Please reach out to us on www.pixdigitals.com or check us out on Etsy. Thank you guys for watching.